I'm Dana Williams. I'm a singer-songwriter, and today I'm going to make a vegan blueberry crumble for free people. The ingredients I'm using are brown sugar, white sugar, oats, all-purpose flour, melted vegan butter, salt, just a tablespoon of lemon juice, and of course blueberries. You'll also need a pie pan. I have a 9-inch pie pan. You could use an 8-inch pie pan, that also works just as well. I'll start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And while the oven is preheating, I'm going to get started on the filling. What goes in the filling of the blueberry crumble are 3.5 cups of blueberries, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of white cane sugar, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. If you don't have lemon juice, you can use water. So you just want to stir the blueberries until they're evenly coated. You don't really want to smash them. Now that everything is mixed, I am going to transfer the blueberries into the pie pan. I'm spreading them so that there's an even layer. Okay, the first step of the blueberry crumble is finished, and now I'm going to move on to the crust. The ingredients I'm using in the crust are 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of oats, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 1/2 cup of sugar. I divide the sugar into quarters. I'm using 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of white sugar. With crumbles, you can get creative. You can use all kinds of fruits and berries. You can use strawberries, you can add mangoes, peaches, whatever you like. The next step is putting the crust on top of the blueberries. Try and make sure that you get an even layer on top of the berries. Just pat it down gently to make sure that it sticks together. And now the blueberry crumble is ready to go into the oven for 25 to 35 minutes. The crumble has been cooling for 10 minutes and now it's ready to serve. This was so much fun. Thanks so much for having me, free people.